What's up, everybody? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yep, we're back again. That's right, we are back again. So, yep, apparently Mr. Kieran White, Mr. White himself, has shut us down a second time. And we're back again, being victorious and winning, as we always do. And we're coming back, we're showing you some luxury apartments here at the OPUS in Vinhomes Grand Park. Right now, we're actually checking out a one-bedroom layout because we're getting several clients right now, a lot of business professionals that are looking to move here and are looking for that one-bedroom layout space. They have a concept here called a one-bedroom plus that gives you a little bit added space for like setting up an office, workspace, desk. So instead of having like a second bedroom, you do have a dedicated office space. So we're gonna head right on into OS, and then I'll give you another video that's gonna recap as far as the little Kieran White drama and what resulted from that. But let's head right on into this apartment. Let's go. Wow, it's very spacious. Okay, this is awesome. This is really, really awesome. Xin chào ho. Brand new apartment. Everything's brand new. Look at this 75-inch flat screen TV. Beautiful, gorgeous decoration. Nice leather sofa. There's a dining area here, LED. And this is what I'm telling you about that one bedroom plus. Like this is like a dedicated workspace area. Have the open shelving here. You even have built-in storage here. That's a great touch there. Great touch there. And then you have a dedicated desk here with the LED lighting already built in 3 different levels with added storage with these mirror doors. Come on, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. This is gorgeous. And walking into the bedroom, got the chevron pattern wood flooring from this really nice stone that I'm walking on. It feels real great, by the way. King size bed, has a modern style with a wall as your headboard with a kind of a suede feel. Really nice there. This is all custom decor. This is top of the line here as far as decoration is concerned. They went all out here. So also have LED lighting in this cabinet space here as well. Another like makeup table, built-in mirrors here. You can mount the TV if you wanted to. Shout out Cardi B. Wow, these doors feel so premium too. Wow, with the soft close on that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, they feel so premium. You have to touch it. You would have to touch it to know what I'm talking about. Oh, it smells like a brand new home too. Love that smell. Also note that the aircon system is recessed, so you don't have the wall mounted unit. There's a speaker there. I'm not sure if that's an integrated Bluetooth speaker system happening there. Really nice counter here. And drinking water, wow. Brand new. This also has hot and cold. That's awesome. That's awesome. Microwave, Toshiba fridge. Again, everything's brand new. Stickers is still there. Double sink. And the 4 top burner there by Gorenji, and a space if you wanted to add a baking oven. So that's a decent amount of space there. Nice stone countertop and backsplash. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There is an option, I believe that's a camera. I'll just check out the view, Oh, view depth, yes. View depth, why? Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Got the river view. plus, you know, the lake view and the park as well, showing the villa side. And this is, we didn't see the swimming pool, right? But now we can see it from here. Really nice pool, right? Look at that. There, it looks like there's a little kids playroom, dedicated kids play area up there. And up there, I can't get up there. That's only for residents, but there's a swimming pool. Actually, I can show you like the courtyard because it kind of has like an infinity edge of sorts. But this is the main central courtyard garden as like the main area of the complex. And you see the swimming pool has that infinity edge there, right? So that's the swimming pool deck up top of there. And then they have this water garden feature, water features all throughout here. And really, really, really swanky, right? Look, to get to there, you gotta walk over the little paths there. So, little, very nice. Very chill out here. And this is just an open grass area to come, relax, lay on the grass, put your feet in the grass, connect back with nature, all of that. And this is top floor. I mean, above us are the penthouses, I believe. So this is the top floor that you can get to. And the Toshiba 10.5 kilo.
Oh, you got a washer and dryer? Of course. I rented my apartment through SaigonCribs.com. All of their clients get a washer and dryer. Better call Brian.
This is a Toshiba front-loading washer machine. Very nice. Nice features there. Very nice features, and do have the hang drying racks that you can use this, pulling up and down. Gorgeous. Everything's brand new. It's absolutely magnificent. I would say you should definitely take this one. You should definitely take this one. And then the toilet, very nice big bathroom here. Very spacious, enclosed shower. Yeah, this is really, really cool. Now, the only difference is like in Masterize and Lumiere, they give you, some of them get the smart toilets. And I'm noticing, I mean, Opus is supposed to be the highest brand, but they don't have the smart toilets that come. So that's interesting. That is a higher price apartment, but you know, everything else is more premium. You got way more space. You know, as far as a 1-bedroom layout, you get a lot more space than the Masterize and Lumiere. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Hey, and we're back. We're back again. So there's an awesome tour, amazing 1-bedroom apartment. I want to thank everyone who has been supporting me while our channel has been down. Yes, we have suffered from the 2 attacks that Kieran White has done on our channel. We've suffered thousands of dollars of losses. But guess what? The family and support that I received, the word of mouth support that I received has helped us to survive. And I just want to say publicly, I want to thank all of my supporters, all the supporters of Saigon Cribs out there, our clients who are referring us to other clients as well. I want to thank you so much for that, because it has made a true difference. And you know, that's one of the things that I really love about living here in Vietnam, is the love and the community that we have here. Hey, if you are moving to Ho Chi Minh City, you know who to call. You better call Brian. Saigon Cribs, baby. Let's go.